Hello folks, today we're going to be downloading NetBeans. Now NetBeans is a application or software that allows you to run your HTML5 projects. So first of all, we're going to download it. We got the feature update 3, NB 12.3 or 12.0. You could use either one. But for now, we're going to download 12.3. And here is the binaries and the installers, everything. From Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. And for now, I'm gonna download Windows because that's what I'm using. Okay, now here you see all the mirror ones, and here this is the one that they're suggesting. So you could either suggest the mirror ones or the suggested one. But hold on. Okay, so here's the one that they suggest, and here are the mirror ones, like a different website. If this one becomes too slow, you have other But for now, I'm gonna use this one. Download, and you see it's already downloaded. So it might be taking a long time to download, but in the meantime, we can wait for another minute. Now, as you can see here, we already have it downloaded, so let's open here on our phone downloads. We open this. And it's loading everything. Click. Now it's already installing. Now here, these are the extension I'm using: the basic IDE, Java SE, Java EEE, HTML5, JavaScript, PHP. Now as you see here, we don't need to change anything. We're just going to leave by default. We click next. We accept the license agreement. Click next. And then, wait a minute. Notice here that this is our file for the NetBeans, and this is our JDK that we're using. Don't worry, any version of JDK that you will be using will support NetBeans. So we click next. Now this is optional. You could check for updates or not. So I'm going to leave it like that and install. And right now it's installing, as seen here. So we're letting it install a bit. Now once we finish our installation, we click finish. And then we go right click here, we see the NetBeans, so we open that. And we'll wait until it opens. And you see here, as you see on NetBeans here, we could start a new project. We could click find new project, or we could click right here. So we click here, and then part 2, I'll show you which one we select.